Hi everyone, my name is Dhananjay Kumar. Welcome to my live page. Today we are going to discuss on wealth management. But before that, let me introduce myself. On education side, I have a bachelor's degree in computer application. Besides that, I have also done wealth management certification from CIEL. I do have about 15 years of work experience into financial planning and wealth management. During the course of my job, I have worked with organizations like Deutsche Bank, Ameriprise Financial, Aditya Birla Group, and Almonds Global Securities. Okay, management is a process wherein advisor tries to help out in getting financial freedom to his or her respective investors. While doing so, it's basically a comprehensive approach wherein one tries to understand the investment objective and financial goals of investor and then creates a roadmap so that those goals and objectives are met. The first and foremost thing, one should have sound knowledge of finance and different asset classes which would be needed for providing best suited solution for investors. Apart from that, so one should be good at sales and marketing because eventually you would be proposing your solutions to your clients. So one should be good at not only identifying the right solutions but should be good at presenting it well also to existing investors or prospective clients achieving the goal. The other skill which a wealth manager needs to have is relationship building. As I said earlier, that wealth management is a long process. So you are committing yourself in terms of advisory to an individual for a longer term. So if you are planning for one's retirement, planning for one's kids' education, one's children's marriage, then you are going to walk that path of wealth creation with a client for a longer tenure, say for 15 years, 20 years, 25 years. So it is very important that you make a good rapport with the client. He starts trusting you, and that is where this relationship management skills come into picture and helps a wealth manager in a great way. Now let's talk about the positives of being into wealth management. One of the challenges regulatory issues. As a wealth manager, one would be dealing with various asset classes. Like for mutual funds, there is a SEBI as a regulator. If you are offering real estate solutions, then there is RERA. If you are offering commodity related solutions, then there is a regulatory body for that. For insurance, there is IRDA. And plus, this industry is closely watched by all regulators. So one should expect every now and then some sort of regulatory courses being taken care of into this business. Though that is good for wealth management because most of the times the regulator does the things keeping in mind the best of investors. So what is good for your client, obviously that would be good for you. But yes, one should be prepared for these things that they are going to witness frequent regulatory changes that would be happening. I was working for somebody, of course there would be a predefined discipline that one is supposed to come to office at time and then one is supposed to work for a certain time period and then leaves. But when you are into your own business, self discipline is very much required. And since we are into a business which is also very, very dynamic, so one always needs to be on his toe when it comes to serving their clients. So my day starts early. I wake up at about 6:30 in the morning, and to keep me fit throughout the day, I go for a morning walk and I ensure that by 9 I reach to office. First 2 hours I would say would go in news reading or taking a stock of the things which have happened around, preparing for the meetings which are lined up, And then I often do 2 to 3 meetings in a day. That would include meeting my existing clients and also meeting prospective clients. And then by 6 we wind up. I leave the office. Then I go back home. I enjoy my quality time with my family. I prefer to have dinner by 9:30, and by 10 I try to go to bed. So that's normally how I spend my day. I hope I was able to give you a balanced overview over wealth management, and this video is going to help you in taking an informed decision while considering wealth management as a career. Thank you.